3D. I like this better. The controls do feel a lot smoother. Oh, hey, how's it going? All right, what do we got? Where is it? Medicine. Hello? Excuse me? Pardon? Who the frick are you? I don't want to go on my space shuttle. Probably got it. It says like a choice. You can choose who to bring with you. That could be fun. That could be really fun. But, oh, over here. Hi, you are just hopeless. All right, I got Madison. Find the handbook. Well, I don't know where the handbook is. Where the hell's the handbook? This place is too big. I'm never going to be able to find anything I'll ever need. Yar, come here, you. All right, to the shuttle. Yeah. Find some crafting resources. Okay. Put them in the escape shuttle. You got it. Find a crewmate. You huddled in a... there you go. Come here, you. Somehow I picked you up. I don't know how. Help them down the hatch. Okay. You got it, Buster. Alert. What? Incoming missile detected. High risk of impact. Okay. Grab whatever and whoever you can and head for the escape shuttle. Okay. That's it. It seems important. Oh, I could have grabbed this soup. Okay. Okay. I didn't know that we'd be going right into this. Okay, again, fire. Remember what I said about fire being on a space and it's not that good? Okay, you, Dee Dee. You Dee Dee? Dee Dee your name? I don't like that I grabbed duct tape and then Dee Dee. Here we go. Come here. How much time I got left? Oh, plenty of time. So much time. I'm not bringing you. Not on your life. Who else we got? Anybody else we got? What about the guy with the bucket? The bucket on his foot. Dude, run low on time. Okay, it's fine. Oh, he's so handsome. One more thing. Nope. I really fucked that up. Okay, I made it. Oh, shit. Oh, there we are. We're okay. So, who bombed everybody? I didn't get nearly enough food, and I didn't get any water, so maybe they took out the water mechanic. That's what I always thought. Soup is water, so soup. Right off the bat. So, we all gonna talk about anything? I don't like the way you, Mr. Eye Patch, you're staring at Dee Dee over there. Do I gotta do something here? What do I gotta do? Oh, greetings, Astro Computerized Assistant reporting for duty. You must be Emmett, right? I am pleased to announce that you have been randomly selected to become the captain of this vessel. Welcome aboard the escape shuttle, Captain. On behalf of the Astro Citizen Program, please accept our apologies for the minuscule inconvenience of being hurled 60 parsecs away.
Smokey.
Current objective, find a safe place to land, and then try to contact the outside world. Please activate the main computer for further instructions. It is located in the center of the shuttle. Follow the regular rationing protocol and feed your crew. Take it away, Captain. Okay. Goal, make 5 successful intelligence attribute decisions. If there's one thing that I am, is intelligent. Well, I'm gonna make these intelligent decisions as soon as I possibly can. Okay. Emmett Ellis, flexible, brilliant, wimpy. Wimpy? You're looking at these muscles, these well-defined thighs, these inscrutable knees, all these heels of strength, oh, this neck of girth, this nose of snoofing. I am picture strength. And I think all of you do. Alright, what are we doing? I have no idea. Let's do this. I'm ready. Hello. Captain, since you've just taken command, the
One of my favorite palettes.
must be given. A good one. Scratch that. A great one. Everyone is really
Avon
looking forward to your
eyeliner.
speech, Captain. So am I. This is it. You can really show what breed of captain will you be on this incredible journey. Sorry, not good at speaking. What kind of speech will you give? Oh, I will give an intelligent speech. All right. Here we go. I'm smart. You all dumbass. Me smart. You dumb. I big brain. My head big. You head small. You small. Bad dumb. You bad thinking. You no think good. I think goodest. I am smart. I am intelligent.
do the rest off camera.
Okay, speech over. The end. Now applause. Okay, good. Got it. Nailed it. Okay. All right. Ooh, rationing details. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, is this gonna be the thing where I can only give people food, like, once every 4 days? I hope they took that mechanic out of there, because I don't know if that was good anyway. Or whatever. Get soup. Get some soup. There you go. You know exactly what to say. Convincing speech was more than enough to prove your worth as the captain of the last crew in the universe. That was quite a performance, Captain. Your crew started cheering even before you were finished with the speech. Long live the captain, filled the cabin. If any sound could travel through the soundless void outside of the hull of your ship, that would be it. One thing is for sure, you are ready for any challenge this galaxy throws at you. Just look at your belly. You are well fed. Baby says he is glad to have you as his captain. Baby has a full belly. He seems well fed. Who's baby? Is that baby? Is that redhead baby? Is that baby redhead over there? Dee Dee reported being glad to have you as a captain.
I have
He has full belly. She is definitely well fed. Tom reported being glad to have you as captain. Tom is barely fitting in his suit. He is well fed. So
I don't need to give them anything else. We got some. Again, don't like the way you're finger gunning. Let's trace this bullet here. I don't know what you're aiming at here, but it might be the uterus. What is this? Crafting module.
Captain, it's important to keep yourself and your crew well fed. One portion of delicious canned soup is enough to sustain a human for a few days. Even one can be the difference between life and death. That's why it's important to keep a good inventory of your stock. Unless you want to eat one of your crewmates. That was a joke. Please appreciate it and laugh. Thank you for your cooperation, Captain. Who will perform the routine supply check? The only requirement is simple mathematics. I realize I might be asking a lot, but I have a good feeling about this
the
crew,
next
Captain.
kind.
Well, I mean, aren't I the smarty? Hang on. Can I get some stats? What is this?
Sanity is a sock puppet stops insanity, or so they say. It doesn't say what their intelligence is all about. Baby is an adult man, but a very simple-minded one. Okay, Dee Dee, limber, average fit. Okay, so she's probably the most agile. He's clever, strong, and average. So he's pretty good across the board. Former child athlete. Promising career was ended by an untimely injury. Struggles to reinvent herself, but the reality is far from what she imagined. Man who was seen it all sporting a dastardly eye patch and a coat of once magnificent blonde hair. Tom believes to be everyone's dream come true and the personification of the American hero. Except none of this is true. Well, he's pretty good, I guess. Okay. I'm gonna just do it myself. Okay, let's go for it. No soup today. We'll be fine for a few days. Don't worry about it.
Good news, Captain. This shuttle came pre-stocked with an emergency food supply. Well, the routine supply check is now complete. Well, look at that. The numbers add up. Good job, human crew. The current number of soup cans on board is 5. Correction, the actual tally is actually 7. Additional foodstuffs were delivered to this shuttle instead of entertainment supplies. Lucky you. With decent leadership and rational restraint, the reserves of food on the ship should be sufficient for the time being. That said, it is in your best interest to procure more as soon as possible. How are we gonna do that? How do we do that? Captain, the crafting module in the back of the cabin has been activated. It's just like the Astro Citizen material said. This wonderful machine lets you create and destroy in accordance with the principle of mass conservation. All you need is a little bit of minerals, chemicals, or power. Use it to craft, recycle, and repair your supplies, as well as to upgrade items and shuttle systems.
I'll do that. All right. Upgrade. Ooh. Book. How do we upgrade a book? Mask. Lighter.
How do you upgrade duct tape? How do you do that?
Craft soup. What is that? What is that? What the fuck is that? What is
Alright.
cow standing on 2 legs with a big
Well, I can
bullet
talk
under
more
its
since
forehead?
no one's in the house
What the
now,
fuck is
because it's
that?
awkward as heck. But Broadway palette, it's the Powder Cheek palette kit. I just used the light pink in the bottom corner, the shimmery pink in the top for a nice smoky, the darker pink to add dimension, and I did under the eye as well, and then the shimmer highlight on the lid and brow bone a little bit. Avon True Color Blackest Night Stick, used the waterline, and I do the inner corner as well for some depth. I have Markiplier in the background for some noise. I use the Covergirl Professional 3-in-1 Blackest, very black, and the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara in C139, which is black. But yeah, so that is the look. I just do it very simple to look more natural. Ignore this. I dyed my hair yesterday because I could, and I don't use foundation because I break out. This is mainly from the masks because of what's going on. But yeah, so I like makeup. Once I get a better setup and camera and stuff, I'm probably going to be able to do better crafting and start doing gaming stuff, which would be nice. I might do some videos on plants, those are dead ones, but I have a nice setup here, some candles and incense, my console, and my little baby gecko. She's so sweet. My closet, which is gross. My art stuff. But yeah, once I get better setup and probably better internet and stuff like that, because I live in middle of nowhere. But yeah, should be able to do better videos. But yeah, so this little thing, I'm bad at talking, but yeah, so thank you for watching, and if you want me to do anything else, any specific looks or any specific videos within reason, just let me know, comment, DM me. I'm boring. But thank you so much, and have a good day.